bad day, guys. That is not fucking easy. Go to work when you're working. See, that's so fucking bad. Snow day, guys. It might look crazy today. I don't know. Just, oh my god. I don't know, sorry. Damn, look at me, guys. So handsome. I know. Without you filter, guys, no filter on my face. That my real face. As you can see, you see, guys, no filter. That's well, there us. I'm gonna take this train, but at least 5 minutes close to me. I didn't expect like today this not gonna be like that. Cause yesterday that was like a lot. That was a lot. But today, even though the snow is coming, but why you can see like the floor, the ground is not like a lot, cause it's raining also. Both things happening. That's why it's a little bit snowing and raining, guys. As I can see. Oh, the car's coming. Supposed to wait, guys. Oh, snow day. This day I'm respectfully agree. This day it's not like a lot. You can work. It's not like too cold. You can deal with that. I think so today. But yesterday, that was terrible. That was terrible. But today, guys, we know it's winning. That's why it's not like too cold and it's not like you struggling. You know what I mean? This not really don't give us too much issue, too much problem, guys. Even though it's raining, I don't use my umbrella. I don't like that. Just wear my boonie and my hoodie, that's it. Am I late today? I don't know. Guys, I don't know like if someone else, anybody of us is like that. every Saturday when you're gonna go to work, you find a lot of like obstacle or a lot of struggle. Like the train come late, bus come late, and that make you late at work. I don't know if it's only me feel that situation. I don't think so. Even my friend, I got friends close to me, they say like they hate working like on Saturday, especially Saturday. Saturday. Where you at? Where you at? Guys, okay, I'm on the subway station right now. I think like we gotta see me next month. I'm gonna do a live for us. See you guys. I love you. I'm struggling with that. Today is my baddest day. I'm running. Make sure every motherfucking thing is correct. You know what I'm saying? I'm dealing with that. Period. That's evil, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Today is a double snow. Double snow. That is my body language. Damn. The car is coming. And I'm supposed to wait. Well, I don't want to wait. It's really cold. I'm freezing, guys. For real. And the fight is I'm gonna go to work in the freezer. You know? I mean, before I go to work in the freezer, I already freezing outside. You know what I'm saying? Bro, do you think I can survive this situation? I think so. I can survive. I can tell you that. This is not my first time, but today, this is my first time I see something like terrible like that. Let me show you. That's fucking terrible. We have some people that some cleaning, and so we should go outside to fix. your activities, do every motherfucking thing you're supposed to do. That's so sad, guys. For that's so sad. You know, I gotta go to work today, but I don't even know how can I explain that shit. Look. Look. I will look. Guys. No, I can't. I thought I can. I couldn't survive, but I can't. Okay. That's much better. People do something. You know what I'm saying? But now, my shoes. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Help me to deal with that shit. Oh, okay. This way they're doing something. They still good. That's so exceptional. Let me pass. I couldn't survive. I thought I could, but the fact is, I couldn't survive this situation. That is very terrible, you know. This is my first time I'm struggling with this situation, guys. For real. This is my fucking first time. That is so dirty, messy. Every motherfucker is messy. Can you imagine? Imagine this situation, guys. You're supposed to go outside and you're dealing with that shit. That's so hard moment. I know. Okay, guys, I found my station. Subway. I gotta go, guys. See you guys.